Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm just going to show you this really nice effects we have in Capcut PC. They're very useful, so let me show you exactly where you have to go to access to use these effects. So make sure you click on effects here, and then here in effects we have a lot of effects, but the ones that were added recently are located right over here in scanning. And here this is what we have. This is the effects, this new effects we have. So let's test. Actually, I'm going to just crop this video, and so there are about two. I'm going to add this effect to this video. Actually, I'll position this above, or actually even like this. So it's in the video. And now we have this effect. That's the first one. From here, you can increase the strength, glow, range, and speed and atmosphere. And this is what we have. It looks really good. And now the second effect from here, we can increase the speed, the strength, and the blur. So a pretty interesting effect. So I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you now in the next video. Take care.